So we already know how to estimate median in individual series and discrete series. The formulae were common. If you all remember, we discussed n plus 1 by 2th term. Okay, so we use this formula to calculate the middle value of our series, that's called as median. Now for continuous series there is a little changeover, because in continuous series, guys, you see we have intervals given like this: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20, 30, 30, 40. So these are the marks of students, and there are two students who have scored between this range. चार बच्चों ने इस रेंज में स्कोर करा है, एक बच्चे ने इस रेंज में स्कोर करा है, तीन बच्चों ने इस रेंज में स्कोर करा है. व्हाट वुड बी द मिडल वैल्यू, द सेंट्रल वैल्यू? So for that thing we need to cumulate them first of all. That's quite obvious that डिस्क्रीट सीरीज में हमने क्या करा था, क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी करके देखा था, और मैंने आपको उसको ब्रेकअप करके भी दिखाया था कि देखो सेंटर वैल्यू ये निकल के आ रही है. व्हेन वी कन्वर्टेड इंडिविजुअल सीरीज एंड डिस्क्रीट सीरीज, तो जो मिडल वैल्यू आई थी वो सी एफ को यूज़ करके हमने डिस्क्रीट सीरीज में आइडेंटिफाई करी थी. नाउ सेम रूल अप्लाइज ओवर हेयर एज वेल इन continuous series. So for cumulative frequency we know the rule. So as it is, then 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. So how many total students are there? So sigma of frequency is 10 only. So number of students is your frequency, and your variable, that is marks, is x. Now one thing that's gonna change in continuous series is the formula for median. So if you remember, I told you that median निकालने के लिए हमें करना होता है n plus 1 by 2th term. Here you just have to do n by 2th term. Alright, you can remember it, I believe. Just do n by 2. Now n by 2, n is number of samples. So here number of students are 10 only. So 10 is your n divided by 2. This is standard. So 10 by 2 is fifth. So fifth term you have to find out in CF, or a number greater than that. So fifth term we can't find in CF, but we can find just a little bit greater than that, is 6. So what does it mean? It means that our median lies somewhere between this, right? So our median lies somewhere between this. And why between 10 to 20? This I already told you when we did discrete series, that why it happens. So इस रेंज में हमारा मीडियन है. This is known as median class. What do we call it, everyone? Median class. So let me write down over here median class. So now we have identified our median class. Now there is the another formula that you all are expert in: the lower limit plus n upon 2 minus cf upon f. I believe your 10th class teacher taught you h over here, that is the height. I'm going to write down interval. They both are same. You are free to write h also, that is the height, that is 10. You are also allowed to write interval width, that is I. Now just put down the values, everyone. What is the lower limit in your median class? Now everything that will be done will be as per the median class only. Now in median class your lower limit is 10. So please write down 10 is your lower limit. n by 2, I believe n by 2 सब लोगों को पता है, हमने निकाला है. 5 ऊपर n by 2 करा था, 5 आया था. n by 2 will be 5, everyone. Cumulative frequency we can't take it as 6, ये तो n by 2 से बड़ा हो जाएगा. just above that is 2. So CF एक ऊपर वाला लिया जाता है, divide it with frequency along with the median class only, that is 4, multiplied with the interval width, that is 10. We just need to solve it. So this will be 3. 3 times 10 is 30. 30 को आप 4 से divide करो, you will get 7.5. So this will be 10 plus 7.5, and your answer is 17.5 marks. Fair enough? This is your median. So why I said fair enough is because your median should have lied between 10 to 20. That's exactly where your median is coming out to be, 17.5. So that is the median score of students. Now what does it indicate? It indicates that your average marks will also be very close to 17.5. Yes sir.
सर सी एफ जैसे हमने लिया है यहाँ पे 2 में, अगर हमारे यहाँ पे अभी जो हमारा एन बाई 2 टर्म है उसमें 10 आ जाता, तो हम 6 ले सकते थे फिर.
अगर हमारा n by 2 10 आ जाता,
यस.
n by 2 10 आ ही नहीं पाता बेटा. अच्छा अगर वैसे जनरली आ जाता तो उससे बड़ा लेते, उससे छोटा नहीं लेते. अब इस क्वेश्चन में तो 10 आ ही नहीं सकता था, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सी एफ का टोटली 10 है, तो उसको 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 5 आएगा, राइट. तो अगर इन एनी केस अगर किसी में सी एफ, जैसे कि अगर हम अगर हमारा n by 2 करके 10 आ रहा होता, तो तो वो तब आता अगर सीरीज का टोटल आपको दे रखा होता है अब देखो किस नंबर को हम डिवाइड करेंगे ताकि 10 आएगा, तो इट विल बी बेसिकली 20। तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स अगर आपको यहाँ पर दे रखे होंगे 20, अब देखना पड़ेगा कि सी एफ में कहीं पे 10 वहाँ दे रखा है या उससे एक नंबर बड़ा देखेंगे, ठीक है। ऑल राइट गाइज, प्लीज नोट इट डाउन और स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो जिन बच्चों ने नोट डाउन नहीं करा। यू हैव टू रिमेंबर नाउ टू फॉर्मूले फॉर कॉन्टिन्यूस सीरीज बेटा। एक हो गया आपका n/2, ये आइडेंटिफाई करके आप देखोगे फिफ्थ टर्म जैसे यहाँ पर आई, और एक बार ये आइडेंटिफाई कर लोगे तो दिस नंबर यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई इन सी एफ या इससे जस्ट बड़ा, तो 6 मिला। ये मीडियन क्लास है बेटा, इसमें ये वाला फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है जो कि आप लोगों को ऑलरेडी आता है, एंड यू विल गेट योर मीडियन। ऑल राइट, I'm gonna clear the screen. Let's look at one more question for our practice. Here we are given variable, we are given frequency. So please look on your screens. We are given variable as size of something, then we are given frequency as f. Okay, so variable, frequency. Now what's the first thing we need to do? CF निकालना। 42 as it is, 42 plus 25 67, 67 and 58 125, 125 and 40 165. The total number of items in this series are 165. So what's the first step that we need to do? 165 को मैं divide करना है 2 से, this will fetch us 82.5. Now 82.5 we need to find this in CF। इससे बड़ा नंबर आप देखो 82 से छोटा है 42, 67 भी छोटा है, 125 इससे जस्ट बड़ा है। सो दिस विल बी योर मीडियन क्लास, this will be your median class. Your lower limit will be 30, your CF will be 67, frequency will be 58, and interval is of 10 only, right? So lower limit 30, n/2 आपने करा था 82.5, एंड CF एक ऊपर वाला 67, फ्रीक्वेंसी साइमल्टेनियसली जो इसके साथ है 58, then multiply with the width, that is 10. Your median will come out to be 32.67. We are not given any unit of this size, whatever this is, just write down units. That median is 32.67 units. Let's see one more question. Here we again have age, then we have number of persons, ठीक है। तो 20 से 25 में 5, just calculate the CF. Total number of frequencies 800 divided by 2, that will give you 400, right? So just divided 400. अब 400 से just बड़ा, but हमें luckily 400 ही मिल गया। Now what, that's great. So this is our median class. This is a median. So lower limit is 35 and n/2 is 400. CF इससे ऊपर वाला 220, frequencies के साथ वाली 180, multiply with the width, that is 5. Calculate your median is 40 years, ठीक है। Please don't do this mistake. Make sure that what you are calculating should be specified as well. So here our median is 40 years. So I believe this is clear to all of you. Final, stop the recording for median in continuous series.